Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add an artist to favorites in Apple Music on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, open up Apple Music. In Apple Music, tap on Library at the bottom, then tap on Artists. In here, find an artist that you want to favorite, or you can go down the list here and it will show you some suggestions. Now open up your artist and then in here tap on the favorite button right at the top. To undo favorites, you can tap on the button again to undo favorites. Alright, now we go back and let's continue to find more artists. So you can type in find in artists in here. So there's Bob. I'm just going to try to find some random artists. Now this artist will basically add songs that are already on your device or songs that you have added to the playlist. So if you want to find artists that is not available in here, you might need to first add in songs to your library. So for example, if you are looking for Lady Gaga, it's not in here. So what we're going to do is go back to songs or search at the bottom here, Lady Gaga, and then simply open it up like that and then tap on, so I'm just going to tap on allow notifications and then tap on that artist, tap on that favorite button, and that will allow you to favorite the artist. And now if we go back to library and then go to artists, then tap on the filter button and then tap on favorites. In here you'll be able to locate all your favorite artists. And that is how you can favorite your artist or add your artist to favorites. If you want to undo favorite, simply touch and hold onto that and then tap on undo favorite, or you can simply open it up and then tap on the favorite button to undo it. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.